Sarap. So, welcome to day 4 of building the unified coffee discovery app in public. Hi, I'm Dandy, and quick lang, I just want to share my thoughts. Why this app and my visions. So, I've been building this app for almost a month now. Again, this is just a passion project. I haven't built anything yet previously, so no experience. But I'm a cloud and infrastructure security engineer by profession, so I get exposed in development life cycles. And yes, I still work full time. I own a cafe and I really love to explore coffee in general. Kaya feeling ko, it really makes sense to focus on this kind of app. So just to share, the ideation of this app comes from a frustration of picking which coffee shop. Kasi every time nalalabas kami, kailangan coffee shop. Kasi for her to study and for me to work. Kaya sabi ko, teka nga, I'll create a coffee shop, a cafe randomizer app para madali na lang for us, wala nang away. And yun, so I began to study sa YouTube kung paano ba gumawa. And so I tried. And it was actually fun. So, pakita ko sa inyo tomorrow yung randomizer. And the idea expands from there. And now we're here. And little by little, adding the functions and features. Pero again, all throughout, di siya madali for sure. May mga frustrations and failures kasi nga di ako dev. So that's also why I'm here. I want to document the whole process, the whole journey, and publicize it to make me accountable. Para mas ma-push pa ako to really make this happen. Sobrang exciting talaga kasi, again, to be honest, wala kasi to sa plano in life. So, yeah, pero right now, at this very moment, I could firmly say that I believe in this app and I will deploy this no matter what. So yeah, join me sa journey of building this, and hopefully in less than a month, ma-ship na natin siya. I'll share to you all the process. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you sa next days. Bye!